When you're managing a large workforce, staffing problems quickly become operational problems. That's why we created Onsite Premium, Voyage's most advanced solution built to operate from inside your facility. With Onsite Premium, you'll get more than staffing support. You get an embedded workforce partner managing your operations in real time. In this service is a dedicated Voyage Onsite representative stationed at your facility daily. Shift coordination, time clock oversight, and real-time employee coaching. Daily check-ins and performance feedback with your team. On-site safety support, including safety programs, management, and risk assessments. Forklift certifications and tailored safety trainings conducted at your site. HR compliance, enforcement, and life support for employees' issues, investigations, and policy implementation. Custom onboarding, including branded orientation videos and materials. Timekeeping and attendance management, including disciplinary actions tracking, employee engagement programs, surveys, and incentive support. Operational and compliance reporting customized to your KPI. Employment law consulting to prevent costly issues like PAGA claims, harassments, or misclassifications. Full access to recruiting, payroll processing, and benefit administration managed by the Voyage back office team. This is a true turnkey solution, ideal for food production, distribution centers, light industrial, and manufacturing environments. If you're ready for boots on the ground support and a team that runs your workforce like their own, Onsite Premium is for you. Visit our website to compare all of our service tiers, Plus, Pro, and Premium, and find the right fit for your operations. Then reach out. Let's talk about bringing Voyage to your facility so you can lead while we handle the rest.